Have you ever felt stuck in life, working hard every day, yet feeling like you're moving nowhere? This is the story of Lucas, a man who discovered that success isn't built in one big moment, but in small daily habits that transform everything. Lucas had never been a man of big dreams. He often wondered why life seemed to move faster for everyone else. Every morning, he woke up late, rushed through his day, and went to bed exhausted. He ran a tiny bicycle repair shop on the corner of a busy city street, and most days it barely earned enough to cover the bills. One cold morning, Lucas sat on a worn stool at the entrance of his shop, counting his earnings. $15. That was all he had made today. He looked around at the rusty bike parts scattered across the floor and sighed. "Why does it feel like I'm working hard but getting nowhere?" he whispered to himself. Just then, the shop door opened. A well-dressed man stepped inside, pushing a sleek electric bike that gleamed under the dim shop lights. "Can you check the brakes?" the man asked kindly. Lucas examined the bike carefully. The brakes were slightly misaligned, so he fixed them with steady hands. When he returned the bike, the customer smiled. "You've got skill," he said. "Ever thought about pushing yourself further?" Lucas shrugged. "I work hard every day. It just never feels like enough." "It's not about working harder," the man replied. "It's about small, consistent actions. Discipline builds power over time." The words lingered in Lucas's mind long after the man left. That evening, Lucas sat alone in his quiet shop, replaying the message. Small, consistent actions, discipline, power over time. The next morning, he tried something new. He woke up 30 minutes earlier. It didn't seem like much, but it was a start. He made coffee, opened an old notebook, and wrote down one skill he wanted to improve. The first few days were rough. His body complained. His mind begged him to quit. He forgot. He slipped. He wanted to give up. But he kept hearing his mentor's voice, Mr. Arjun Patel, a retired engineer who had once advised him, "Discipline builds power over time." So Lucas pushed forward. 30 minutes became an hour became two. Day by day, he learned something new. Day by day, he grew stronger, sharper, more focused. Weeks passed, and his work began to reflect the change. The bikes he repaired were smoother, more precise. Customers noticed. A small trickle of clients turned into a steady flow. One afternoon, while fixing a particularly difficult bike, Lucas paused and realized something powerful. He hadn't just improved his skills, he had changed his mindset. Life no longer felt like a constant struggle. He wasn't chasing results anymore. He was creating them. "Consistency beats talent when talent doesn't work hard," he murmured, smiling to himself. Months went by, and Lucas's little shop transformed. Bike enthusiasts from nearby towns visited just to watch him work. Yet no matter how busy he became, he never broke his routine. Every morning, without fail, he woke up early, learned, practiced, and improved. One evening, Mr. Patel walked into the shop again. "I see the change," he said warmly, "not just in your work, but in you." Lucas nodded. "It wasn't magic, just small daily habits, discipline." Mr. Patel smiled. "Power lies in the daily choices we make, not in the big leaps we dream of." That night, Lucas looked out at the quiet city streets, feeling a calm confidence settle over him. Life doesn't change overnight. Success doesn't happen suddenly. But with patience, discipline, and consistent effort, small habits grow into unstoppable power. He leaned back, took a deep breath, and smiled. Tomorrow he would wake up early again. Tomorrow he would take another step. Slowly, surely, he was changing his life, one small habit at a time. If Lucas's journey inspired you, remember this: your life can change too. One habit, one choice, one day at a time. If this story touched your heart, remember there are many more stories like this waiting for you here. So take a moment and subscribe to Lamplit Tales and be part of this journey where every story teaches peace, hope, and self-discovery. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay kind, stay calm, and keep your inner light glowing.